Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the daily deals feature in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the sell shop and talk to Steven. And you will see daily deal right here. And for today's daily deal, I got 7.31k shekels, and I think it's worth to try. Okay, and I've already applied the daily deal, and after we apply it guys, the daily deal will be gone, as you can see, and it will appear on the next day. So basically the daily deal is higher than the original price, so I would like to recommend you to use the daily deal every day. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the daily deal in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!